Prepare cables and tools. You are advised to pause the video or take a screenshot. Operation process. Strip the output power cable to an appropriate length and ensure that it is not broken. Strip the wires. Do not damage the wire core. Do not strip wires to inconsistent lengths. Route the cable through a junction box. Connect OT terminals. Crimp OT terminals with a crimping tool. Do not strip wires beyond the necessary length. Install heat shrink tubing. Do not insulate with tape. Remove the screws. Secure the wires. Install the junction box. Select an appropriate AC switch in accordance with local industry standards and regulations. RCD rating is greater than or equal to N multiplied by 300 mA.